Hi guys, today I'm going to read the book Little Bird's House. Donna wrote the book and Jane drew all the pictures. Little Bird's House. Little Bird sat in his house in a tree. Why don't my friends ever visit me? Well, how do you think he feels that nobody ever visits him? I know that would make me feel sad. Come to my house, Little Bird cried. Who is he asking to come to his house? Do you know what animal that is? You're right, it's a horse. Good job. Don't be silly, said the horse. I could never fit inside. Then I shall find another friend, said Little Bird. And off he flew without a word. Come to my house, Little Bird cried. Who knows what animal this is? Good job, you're right, it is a cow. A cow. Don't be silly, said the cow. I could never fit inside. Cows are pretty big, aren't they? Then I shall find another friend, said Little Bird. And off he flew without a word. I wonder who he'll find to ask next. Come to my house, Little Bird cried. Who do you think he's talking to? This looks like this may be a pond. Let's see. Don't be silly, said the duck. I could never fit inside. Do you guys know what ducks say? You're right, they do. They say quack, quack. Then I shall find another friend, said Little Bird. Poor Little Bird. And off he flew without a word. Where's he at now? You're right, he's in his home. So Little Bird sat in his house all alone. Poor me. My friends can't fit inside my home. Wait a minute, Little Bird cried. If they can't come here, I'll visit them outside. What a wonderful idea. Welcome, Little Bird, all his friends did say, and the 4 friends agreed to meet outside every day. Let's count the friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed that book, and I hope today you get to play with a friend. See you later.